Palm tree is a respected tree. It has everything. Well, you name it. But when you don't give it a respect and you plant it in your house as a backyard garden fruit, disgrace, disappointment is going to be your portion. Today, I'm going to share with you the reason why you are not supposed to plant this tree in your house. The tree that gives us wealth, money, prosperity, but we are not allowed to plant it in our house. Palm oil, you get it from this. So in African spirituality, we call it the millionaire plant. Everything comes from this. If you want a beer, it comes from this. If you want money, if you want to do charcoal, everything comes from this. But there's one mistake we are doing. It is the mother of all mothers. This palm tree that you are seeing. And because of that, our ancestors do not plant it in the house. Somebody will be asking, why don't we plant palm tree or palm nut in our house? No, it is not a slave. It is a king or queen on its own. That is why we plant it in our farm, but not in our backyard garden. People are suffering, both spiritually. You can't marry. Your house is tormented. Things are not working. Even when you are working, you don't see it. You might think you are working for somebody. Yes, it's because of this tree, this palm tree that you have here. The reason why our ancestors they don't plant it in the house is because of one. If you are a witch or a wizard, this is the root of it. This is where we have our meetings. This is where we do everything. When you plant it in the house and maybe you want to have fun, you need some money, we'll come into your room and pick it. If you want to do anything, any rituals, you can use children for it. Kids who are in the house. So just look around or just give me right at the comment section. If you have palm tree in your house, how is your lifestyle? How is the family? Yes, that's the secret. We don't plant it because this is where we have our meetings. So even if you want to do rituals to our mothers of the night and you don't know where it is, you bring the food to this place. You come and consume it for you. So the reason why we don't plant is because of this. This is just a palace, spiritual palace. And you know how physical palace is. When you don't have anything doing there, you don't go there. This same thing can give you money. This same thing can give you freedom. But this same thing, when you plant it in your house, you are going to have problems. Fruit of the womb, you never get it. Because everybody in that house, they are using their belly, their womb. If you're a young man coming out, you can't get even married. Because we put into your either you need to be changing women or men here and there. Your life will never be the same. And you'll be asking yourself, pastors, people will be taking money from you that they are going to solve it for you. They can't because of this tree. This tree, this plant, is the plant of all trees. Anything that you want comes from it. This is our palace. This is our warehouse. You just look around in your area, in your community. Check the number of palm trees in your area and look at their conditions. The family condition. You see that everything becomes scattered. You will never understand that is it. Because they've already occupied your house. Our Anam people have already occupied your house. So there's nothing you can do unless you are part of it or unless you are part of the witch camp before things will be okay. So today, if you are hearing me and you have a palm tree in your house, or when you are going to rent and there's a palm tree in that house, please do not rent it. For your own safety. For your own safety. Palm tree is not for shelves that you go there. Oh, I want to feel free, or maybe if I have it in my house, it gives me shade. No. A lot of people are in compound houses in Africa that have this palm tree in their house, and things are not going well. When you give birth, when you are pregnant, you get miscarriage, disappointment, bad luck, problems upon problems. When you are selling, when you are doing business, things don't hold. All this because of this palm tree. Because where you are, you have some in your house. Even in your area, you have it. Let me know at the comment section. Those who think that you have some in your house, how is your lifestyle? How are things going? Today, I will urge you, if it's a rented place and your time is up, please don't renew it. Just move out. You get somewhere, and you have your peace. When you have this plant in your house, physical and spiritual freedom, you are not going to get it. This palm tree is spiritually powerful. That is why it is in our farm. People who are into plantation, they are making it because it's not in their house. It's not in their house. That is the secret why our ancestors, through the knowledge of God, informed them and taught them that even when you build, do not plant palm tree in your house or as backyard garden. If you're a billionaire, all your wealth will come down. You'll begin to beg. You'll feel bitterness in you. Disappointment will be your number one friend. Bad luck will be your sister or your brother. Because you have no idea what this powerful and nice piece of this palm tree has. You are going to bring a king in your house and you are not able to welcome it well. It brings destruction, torture. I'm building a community and awareness. In our next video, I'll show you, I'll teach you what you can do with this tree that will bring millions into your life. Thank you. Like, share. It has millions of wealth in it. That's why when you don't have that vibration, you cannot plant it in your house. Unless you are a witch or you are a wizard, that you want to control your family, you want to protect your generations. That is when you plant it in your house. But if you're just a mere person, there's no need for you to plant it in your house. Otherwise, it will bring destruction, failure, disappointment, disgrace. Fruit of the womb, you are not going to get it.